Apple iPhone 16 series is expected to be released later this year. Ahead of the launch, leaks about the phone have been circulating in abundance. From display to battery to camera improvements, there have been rumors about almost all aspects of the iPhone 2024 flagship. The recent conjecture is that the size of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max will be larger than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A tipster known as Majin Buu leaked 3 images of the rumored iPhone 16 Pro Max. The 3 images exhibit the display, back panel and sides of both handsets. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will sport a 6.9-inch display, which means the screen is expected to be 0.2 mm larger than its predecessor. While the images only show a slight difference in the screen dimensions, the dummy unit doesn't confirm the actual screen size or the display resolution and other such details. Looking at the images, we think that the body of the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max model will be titanium, as it was for iPhone 15 Pro Max. The rumor has it that the iPhone 16 series will have a different camera placement. However, in these images, the Pro Max model looks like a Xerox of iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple is expected to design new A-series chips for the iPhone 16 lineup, built on the latest N3E3 nanometer node. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro could use different chips, with the higher-end chip limited to the Pro models. The Action button, which was limited to the iPhone 15 Pro models, is also expected to be seen in all the upcoming iPhone 16 models. Additionally, a new Capture button that's used for taking photos and videos. The Capture button will work like the shutter button on a digital camera, detecting multiple levels of pressure for focusing and then capturing an image. The tech giant is also planning a new vertical camera lens arrangement in the new iPhone 16 series. The new orientation will presumably allow the standard iPhone 16 models to capture spatial video for the Vision Pro headset. Based on the rumors, the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max may get a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera from the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera available in the iPhone 15 Pro model. The overheating was a major problem among all iPhone 15 models, but it is expected that with iPhone 16 models, the problem will be solved. The iPhone 16 models are rumored to include a new thermal design to combat overheating. Apple is said to be working on a graphene thermal system for the iPhone 16 models, and the iPhone 16 Pro models may also include a metal battery casing that will improve heat dissipation. iPhone 16 series. Specifications and features. Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are expected to use a version of the A17 Pro chip from the iPhone 15 Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature the new A18 Pro Bionic chip, promising faster and more efficient performance. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will likely come with 8 GB of RAM, up from the 6 GB in previous models. These models are also expected to have a new thermal design to reduce overheating, possibly using a graphene thermal system. The iPhone 16 Pro models might include a metal battery casing to improve heat dissipation. Design changes will be minor, but the new models will benefit from iOS 18, which may include AI-powered features like an improved Siri. Meanwhile, Apple has announced new accessibility features for iPhone and iPad that will be released later this year. These features include eye tracking, music haptics, vocal shortcuts, and more. The eye tracking feature will enable users with physical disabilities to control their iPad or iPhone using their eyes. The transition to USB-C tech with the iPhone 15 models is also expected to be observed in the iPhone 16 models. iPhone 16 series. Launch date. The iPhone 16 series launch is expected in September 2024, based on the past trends of Apple. Lastly, with the updated series, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is likely to be priced around $2,000. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.